Did you know that with DataTalk, you can easily create reports from your data just by asking questions in plain English or in many other languages? It's all thanks to OpenAI's advanced language models, which make it possible to interact with your data as if you're having a conversation. Once you've found the information you need, you can save it as a report and share it with your team. It's really that simple. Right now, I'm on the DataTalk main page, and I've already installed the DataTalk plugin into the Northwind demo application. If you want to follow along, you can download the demo using the link in the description. Let's get started. I'll type in a straightforward question. List products that are top sellers. Then I just click Get Answer. Now I see the result. It's showing a single product, Cote de Blé, along with its sales figures. But I was actually hoping to see more than one top-selling product. So let's refine our question and ask for the top 10 products instead. This time, DataTalk gives us a list of 10 products, each with their sales numbers. Much better. Now, I want to share this report with the sales team. I'll click the Share Report button, which opens up the report settings. Here, I can choose to make the report static or dynamic. If I pick static, the report will be a snapshot. It captures the data just as it is right now. That's perfect for record keeping, when you want to remember exactly what things look like at a certain point in time. But if I choose dynamic, the report will always show the most up-to-date data. That's great for ongoing analysis, because a year from now, the list of top sellers might be completely different. For this example, though, I'll stick with a static report. Next, I choose which user groups should have access. I'll select the sales group. Then, let's give the report a title. The default is just the question we asked, but I want something a little clearer. I'll call it Top 10 Products by Sales. And since this is a static report, I'll add the current year, 2025, to the title. Now I'll go ahead and create the report. And just like that, it says, Report created successfully. I see a link to the new report right away. But I can also access all my saved reports at any time by clicking the Reports button. Here I can see a list of all the reports I've created so far, sorted alphabetically. And there's the report we just made, Top 10 Products by Sales 2025. I can see at a glance that it's shared with both the admins and sales user groups, and it shows the date when it was created. I can open the report, and since I'm signed in as an admin, I also have the option to delete it if I want. When I view the report, I see exactly what I expect, the top 10 products by sales. From here, I can print the report or download it as a CSV file, which makes it easy to open in Excel or any other spreadsheet program for further analysis. And that's it. That's all you need to know to create and share reports with your team using DataTalk. It really is that easy.